EasyDRAIN is a fully integrated surface water drainage system made by Everhard Industries right here in Australia. EasyDRAIN is moulded from tough, recycled polymer with click-together interlocking technology and moulded outlets to make installation quick and easy. You can customise your system with the complete range of products. The converter, end cap, corner, T, slim pit, leaf dome, rainwater pit and leaf basket complete the drainage range and fit together with our Flo-way and rainwater pit range. To install your channel and grate, first prepare the area by measuring and marking out your space. Then dig a trench 50 millimetres deeper and wider than the channel being installed. Slope the trench at a ratio of 1 centimetre per 1 metre of channel to prevent pooling. Before installing, connect the channels together using the easy interlocking system. To ensure sections are securely connected, lightly tap the joints until they click together. To connect a PVC pipe, cut an outlet around the inside of the circular collar in the base of the channel, slim pit or end cap to the size required and seal with silicone. Once you are ready to lay your drain, pour concrete into the base of the trench. Push the channel into the concrete slurry so the feet of the channel are completely immersed. Adhere a suitable expansion material such as closed cell foam to either side of the length of the channel, ensuring it sits level with the upper edge of the channel. This will allow you to remove the grate at a later time. To finish, pour concrete along the outside walls of the channel and finish 2 to 3 millimetres above surface level to promote runoff. After installation is complete, should you need to remove the grate at any time, place the tip of a screwdriver into each flange along the channel until the grate pops out. Everhard's EasyDRAIN range is the ideal DIY surface water drainage solution for your home. Available in most hardware and plumbing retail stores around Australia. For more information about our range of EasyDRAIN products, or to find a stockist near you, visit our website at everhard.com.au.